play a little game, okay?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put a plushie inside that box.
I already know that.
And you've got to guess what it is.
If I don't, I get slapped in the face 10 times.
If you get 5 right, you win a prize. What is your prize?
Let's see, guys.
Remember who this is?
Sure.
One hand in there and tell me who it is.
Okay.
Tell me what your guess is.
Minecraft Thief.
Go ahead. You got it fast. Go ahead. Get out of here. Put your hands in. You get one guess.
Like this.
You get one guess.
One guess.
Do you know who it is?
Oh, wait. Minecraft Steve. Is it?
Yeah.
Chuck E. Cheese.
Got it. You're pretty good. Only get one guess.
One again.
One guess and one guess only.
Hate this. I hate this. I hate this. Wait. It's Chuck E. Cheese.
Yippee-yow.
You can't look in their hole. What are you thinking?
It's one of those funny Fazbear characters I've seen. It's one of those. I think I saw Bonnie in the living room, I think, and I think this is Freddy. Freddy.
So it's just listen in there. Did you get it right or wrong? Did you get it right or wrong?
Why did you do that?
Who is this?
Bonnie.
Oh! Aw, that was pretty weak. Pretty weak.
No.
Alright, Tyler, are you ready?
No.
Find out. If it is one, you gotta guess the color of the Huggy Wuggy.
Okay, it's not. I know that. It's Bonnie. It's Bonnie.
Did you get it right?
Yes.
Which one this one is?
Oh, okay.
You have to guess color as well.
Green.
And character. And
Greenie.
character.
Greenie.
And no, that's the character.
That's his name, and that's his color. Green and Greenie.
Go ahead and
Oh no, it would not be like orangey or something.
It was not. It was.
These.
What?
Oh. Alright, that's it. You got your one shot.
What?
Trevor calls him something. He has a bite out of his head. That's what this is right here. I believe this is his hat. Right here. He has a bite out of his head right here. Oh, what does Trevor call him though? I know it's an ice cream guy. I know that.
Oh, I know
What
what
is his name?
I called him.
Ready,
You said
Tyler?
they're in front of my mouth, right?
His eyes.
That's a pretty good one, Trevor.
A little bit more. Yeah. That's all of it.
You'll probably guess it, to be honest. But I'm not sure.
There's one big something on now. Two orange. Two eye.
Stop.
One
Your name.
a hat. Outfit.
Wait, what's his name?
Alphys, right?
Alphys?
Yes, I was right.
You do. I can't.
Shit, can you feel words?
But we didn't find out.
Flash.
Oh, Piggy. It's
Five.
not fair.
Sonic the Hedgehog. Tails.
Try to get put in the face.
Yeah.
Go.
3. This is the last one.
Hey, shit.
Ready?
Go.
You gonna miss?
Completely. It didn't even.
Yeah, I'm showing the camera. This is the last one.
It's a piggy. Some kind of piggy. I think it's a zombie piggy. Now I get my prize?
Yep.
Yeah!
Here you go, Trevor.
No.